Hello, 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 welcome back once again to Cocina con Lupe. Hola, hola, bienvenidos una vez más a Cocina con Lupe. Today I'm going to make a tinga de pollo. It's like a pulled chicken, I will say. Hoy voy a hacer tinga de pollo. Es una receta muy sencilla, simple de hacer y pues la tinga de pollo la podemos comer en diferentes maneras. As I say, I'm going to do tinga de pollo. It's really recipe. Of course, all my recipes are easy. And two simple ingredients, and you can eat it in too many ways, like a taco, empanadas, torta, why not, tostadas. So let's get started with the ingredients. The ingredients are here, as you see. Los ingredientes aquí están. I'm using chicken breast, pechuga de pollo. I think it's like 50, no, sorry. I think it's like 500 grams. Creo que es medio kilo de pechuga de pollo. Actually, you can use any part of the chicken. Pueden utilizar cualquier parte del pollo. That is because we are going to boil the chicken, so it doesn't matter. 2 tomatoes, 1 onion and cilantro, 2 tomates, cebolla, cilantro. I'm using chile chipotle. Voy a utilizar una lata de chile chipotle, like chipotle chili, I will say. This one is La Costeña brand. You can use any chili chipotle. Salt, pepper, and I'm gonna make some tacos, so we need tortillas. Voy a hacer algunos tacos y necesitamos tortillas. So the first step is to boil the chicken. El primer paso será hervir el pollo. I have here the water, aquí tengo el agua, so I'm going to add the chicken. I'm gonna add the cilantro. The cilantro is for the flavor. You can add garlic. Yeah, I forgot garlic. El cilantro es para el sabor, para hervir el pollo, para que no tenga un sabor plano y no sea simplemente agua así. Y le voy a agregar un diente de ajo. Un diente de ajo. A garlic clove. And I'm going to add some salt. Voy a agregarle sal. La sal es el tanteo, la verdad. I don't measure the salt, it's just ajo buen cubero, I will say. I don't know how to say that in English. So now let's go to boil. While the chicken is boiling, mientras el pollo se está hirviendo, we need to make the sauce. So if you like this video so far, please give me a juicy thumbs up. Si te gusta el video, por favor, me puedes regalar un like, si es tan amable. Ya sabes, my goal for this channel is to get 1,000 subscribers. So if you want to help me with that, this is if you want it. La meta de mi canal hasta ahorita es llegar a 1000 suscriptores. Si quieren ayudarme y apoyarme con mi sueño, you can find me on Instagram and Facebook, that too, in @cocina con Lupe. I share some videos there. Sometimes I do live, so if you wanna find me there. So I forgot, you can add some onion too to the chicken. I'm gonna add the quarter of the onion. Pueden agregar cebolla, ya saben, le voy a agregar la cuarta parte de la cebolla. And what we are gonna do with the rest, we are going to chop the rest of the onion that we have left. Vamos a picar la cebolla restante que nos queda. ¿Cómo vamos a picar la cebolla? La cebolla normal, en tiras. How I'm going to chop the onion, just like regular, like julianas, I would say. Just like this. All the onion. Remember that all the quantities are below in the comment section. Todas las cantidades y los ingredientes están en la parte de abajo en la sección de comentarios. Ay, la cebolla. I hate the onion. And I'm going to chop these tomatoes. Voy a picar los tomates. Just small pieces because I'm going to blend this one with the chipotle chili. Los voy a hacer más pequeños porque los voy a licuar junto con el chile chipotle. Oh my god, the onion. And just like that. So we now have to wait for the chicken. The chicken is ready. It's a little bit hot, so careful. We are going to let it cool down. Bueno, dije el pollo ya está listo y ahora lo vamos a dejar a que se enfríe. It's really hot. And I'm gonna use the onion. I'm going to put here the onion because I'm going to blend the onion with the tomatoes and the chipotle chili. Voy a licuar la cebolla junto con los tomates y el chile chipotle. Y le voy a agregar la cabecita de ajo. I'm going to add the garlic too, just for flavor. And the cilantro, I'm not going to add the cilantro. That one, no. No le voy a agregar el cilantro. So this one is the chicken. I'm going to add the tomatoes here to my food processor because I don't have blender, but this is it. I'm going to add the oil can. Le agregué los tomates y ahora le voy a agregar la lata de chipotles. This one is the one that give you like the spicy. El chipotle es el que le da el picante a la tinga. If you don't have chile chipotle, you can use what should we call this chile? In Spanish it's called chile de árbol. In English is, I will say, like cilantro. You can use that one instead of this one, but that one is a little bit spicier. If you watch my video from the birria, you will know what chile is. Si miraste mi video de birria, sabrás qué chile hablo. Aquí voy a poner una foto por aquí. I'm going to put a picture, you will see. I'm going to use a little bit broth from my chicken. Voy a poner un poquito de caldo de pollo, just a little. I'm making a mess here. Oh my god! Y vamos a licuar. Voy a aumentar la velocidad. I'm going to increase the power. It's missing some out here. I knew something was missing and was this and was here. Sabía que algo faltaba. Listo. It's ready. You can use a strainer. Pueden utilizar un colador si lo quieren colar, but yo lo voy a... I'm going to leave it like this, so give you more flour, more... So it has to look something like this. So now we are going to cook the onion first. Vamos a cocinar la cebolla primero y voy a utilizar una olla más grande. I'm going to use this one because it's bigger, so everything can cook better. Just a little bit of oil. It's okay. Vamos a caramelizar las cebollas. We are going to caramelize. We are going to caramelize the onions. Once the oil is hot, we are going to add the onions. Una vez que el aceite está caliente, vamos a agregar la cebollita. You can add more onion if you want. Le pueden agregar más cebolla, but for me it's okay. Mientras la cebolla se cocina, vamos a despicar el pollo. While the onion is cooking, we are going to start to pull the chicken. It's easy with the forks. I mean, you can do it with the hands, but it's hard. Es más fácil con dos tenedores, lo pueden hacer a la mano, pero pues está caliente. Once the onion starts to get like a golden color, we are going to add the salsa. Una vez que la cebolla está agarrando color, I don't know if you can see in the video, but there, yeah. No sé si lo puede ver en el video, pero aquí se ve. Just a little bit more. And we are going to, y le vamos a agregar la salsa. And we are going to add the sauce. We are going to move. Don't worry if it's like too watery. When we add the chicken, it's going to look different. No se preocupe si queda como muy líquido. Se va a evaporar el agua, no se preocupe. Now we are going to add the chicken. And I'm going to add some salt and pepper if you want, just, you know, for flavor. A little bit, un poco de pepper, a little bit of pepper.
Use cayenne pepper too, that would make it a little spicy.
It's that spicy already. So we are going to let it boil like until it's not really watery. Vamos a dejar hervir hasta que se le quita un poco el agua. And it's gonna be ready. And it's gonna be ready. Y va a estar listo. The tinga de pollo is ready. As you see, after I'll let it boil for a little bit, the water is like on. Una vez que la dejé hervir, está bien. So how you can eat this? ¿Cómo lo puedes comer? Tacos, quesadillas, tostadas, tortas, empanadas, like whatever you want. So I'm gonna put here so you can see it better. Voy a poner aquí para que lo vean mejor. Y yo me voy a hacer unos tacos. And for me, I'm going to make some tacos. Tinga de pollo tacos. Here I have my tortillas. No tortillas. Tortillas, por favor. Calentitas. I'm using doble tortilla porque se puede romper. Taco. I think it's too much chicken. And here I have green salsa and red salsa. Tengo salsa verde y salsa roja. I'm going to add some green salsa. You can add here like onions, tomato, cilantro. Le pueden agregar cualquier cosa que quieran a su taco. But mine is good the way it is. Así me gusta el mío, sin muchas cosas. Now we are gonna try. It's spicy, pica, pero pica rico. I didn't thought it was gonna be this spicy. Look, I'm sweating. I don't know if you see here. So this is the end of the video. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. You can comment any you want on my videos. Este es el final del video. Si te gustó, me puedes regalar un like, puedes comentar, puedes compartir. Lo más importante creo que es compartir. Ya saben, mi meta es llegar a los 1000 suscriptores. You can share this video. I think is the most important thing to share, because my goal is to get a 1,000 subscribers. Oh my god, it's spicy. You can find me on Instagram and Facebook as @cocina_con_lupe. I create a Patreon account if you want to help me there. What is Patreon? Patreon is a platform that if you like all my videos and my content, I mean, you can help me, you can give me some donations. Creé una cuenta en Patreon, es una cuenta donde pueden hacer donaciones, ya saben, porque pues hacer videos se ve fácil, pero pues al fondo pues siempre se gastan, ya saben. Because if you see this kind of videos looks easy, but you know it's not expensive, but you know, like, how can I say, if you see that someone is interesting, like what are you doing, give you more motivation, I think for me that will be like really nice. So anyways, I hope you like this video and see you in the next one, the next week. Type in the comments what kind of video you would like to see the next week. Pueden escribir en la sección de comentarios qué video les gustaría para la siguiente semana. You know, you can type anyone. So I hope you like this video and see you the next week. Bye. I hope you like. Espero que te haya gustado el video y nos vemos la siguiente semana. Bye. It's really hard to do back and forth Spanish. Es bien difícil, I need water.